Hi everyone, my name is Dan Watt. I'm a level 2 ACE personal fitness trainer and I've been training since 1998. But in this video I want to talk just about trainers in general. So why would you want to hire a trainer? There are lots of good videos on YouTube, maybe DVDs, streaming with excellent trainers showing you proper form, breathing, body mechanics, but they're not watching you. So a personal trainer would be watching you, i.e. if you're doing a bicep curl and the instructor is doing it this way, their chest is out, their tummy is in, shoulders, neck are all in neutral position, but you're doing like this and you don't realize you're doing it, but you think you're doing it this way, a personal trainer would be able to correct that. A personal trainer can watch your posture, your body mechanics, your energy level, are you okay? Are you pushing hard enough? They can adapt. So adaptation means maybe you're not feeling that good that day, but you can work out. It's just maybe you shouldn't push it because you don't want to get sicker and you don't want injuries. That trainer would be able to say, okay, let's go a little lighter weight, let's put a little less intensity. Maybe you're just full of fire and raring to go, then they would say, okay, maybe we'll push a little bit harder. Ultimately, you have to decide, you have to listen to your body. If the trainer is yelling and screaming at you and you're not listening to what's going on inside, you could get injured, you could have cause heart problems. So ideally, the trainer will teach you first and then push you. And what I mean by that is learn about listening to your body, learn about proper breathing, learn about proper body mechanics, how to move, learn about proper posture, stretching. Okay, so it's all about learn the moves. If you played soccer, hockey, or any other sports, or you started a new job, you would learn it first, then you would excel. So teaching first is what you want out of a trainer. Next, you want adaptation. As I had said, if you're not feeling that good, you need to adapt the program. If you hurt your wrist, if you hurt your foot, then the program needs to be adapted. You don't ignore those things because you'll make them worse. You'll exacerbate the injury. The trainer you also want is the one who is constantly learning. So taking courses, reading up on things, learning from you. A beginner trainer is not a bad idea to hire as long as they're certified, as long as they know what they're doing. They may charge you cheaper initially, so that might be handy and you get to kind of grow with them, but as long as they are learning. A trainer who pushes you and yells and screams at you but doesn't pay attention to your technique, your form, your breathing, your energy level, that is not a good trainer. A trainer who doesn't care if you lock your arms out or hyperextend your shoulders is not a good trainer. A trainer doesn't care if you squat and you're leaning one way, putting more pressure on one knee joint than the other, is not a good trainer. What's going to happen is you're either going to get immediate injuries, you're going to feel it when you're not working out and think it's job related, or you'll have wear and tear and it'll show up 3 years later or so. So make sure the trainer is watching you, make sure the trainer is adapting to your energy levels. You do want results and the trainer wants you to get results, but do it wisely. So recovery is as important as pushing, as working out. Back to beginner trainers, like I said, there's nothing wrong, they just may not have the knowledge. So if you have health problems, diabetes, asthma, joint problems, post-physio, they may not know as much. You'll have to decide whether you want to grow with them, and that can be an exciting thing. An advanced trainer will probably have seen a lot of things that you're going through. So again, I've had to deal with someone maybe with heart problems, somebody with diabetes, somebody who's had whiplash, and this would be post-medical, post-physio. and that's very important. We're not medical doctors, we're not physios. So learning, make sure they're always learning, make sure they can adapt, make sure they're observing you. And that's the benefit of a good trainer. I hope that gives you a broader perspective. With the gyms closed in a lot of areas, it's a little bit hard to observe a trainer, but when they open up again, you may want to observe the different trainers and say, hey, that one looks like a fit, they're energetic, they care, they're watching, they're adapting, okay? And next time I'll talk more about myself. Okay, everybody take care and see you then.